ही शुरू हो चुकी है। सीधे रुक करते हैं।
सूचीबद्ध विवरण सभापति पर रखता हूं।
आइटम नंबर 9 श्री मुरलीधर मोहोल।
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्य सूची में क्रम संख्या 9 पर मेरे नाम के सामने सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेजों को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
आइटम नंबर 10 सेक्रेटरी जनरल।
Sir, I lay on the table the following 4 bills passed by the Houses of Parliament during the 5th session of 18th Lok Sabha and assented to by the President since the report was last made to the House on 22nd July 2025. The Manipur Goods and Services Tax Amendment Bill 2025, the Manipur Appropriation Number 2 Bill 2025, the Taxation Laws Amendment Bill 2025 and the Income Tax Bill 2025. I also lay on the table copies duly authenticated by the Secretary General Rajya Sabha of the 11 bills passed by the Houses of Parliament and assented to by the President. The bills of lading 2025, the carriage of goods by sea bill 2025, the coastal shipping bill 2025, the readjustment of representation of scheduled tribes in assembly constituency of the state of Goa bill 2025, the merchant shipping bill 2025, the national sports governance bill 2025, the national anti-doping amendment bill 2025, the Indian Ports Bill 2025, the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Amendment Bill 2025, the Indian Institutes of Management Amendment Bill 2025, and the Promotion Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025.
Item 11 Shri Kiran Raju ji.
Present the 11th report of the Business Advisory Committee.
Item number 12 Dr. Nishikant Dubey.
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 12 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष यथा सूचीबद्ध संचार और सूचना प्रौद्योगिकी संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 21वां और 22वां प्रतिवेदन प्रस्तुत करता हूं।
Item number 13 Batrudeep Mehtab.
Sir, I rise to present a copy each of the 2 reports, Hindi and English version of the Standing Committee on Finance, 27th report on the subject Performance Review of the National Statistical Commission, 28th report on the subject Review of Working of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code and Emerging Issues. Thank you, sir.
Item number 14 Jitendra Prasad.
Respected sir, that in pursuance of the clause of subsection 3 of section 4 of the Rubbers Act 1947, read with the sub-rule 1 of rule 4 of the Rubbers Rules 1955, the members of this house do proceed to elect in such manner as the speaker may direct 2 members from among themselves to serve as members of the Rubber Board, subject to other provisions of the said Act and the rules made thereunder.